Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today it is time for some viewer mail. Check out that box. I picked this up the other week. It's been rainy, haven't been able to film, and I've waited to open this thing up. Let me go ahead and tell you that this thing is substantial. Substantial. The question is, what is in the box? What's in the box? Guys, let's find out. This comes from my good buddy, Richard. Richard, thank you so much for whatever this is. Let's find out. Wow, this is a beautiful box. This looks to be handmade from what I can tell. So I will start here with the letter. Luke, I've been watching your videos for a long time. If he hasn't seen them all, he's come close. Thank you so much for the wonderful trips, the reviews. He does a fair amount of camping and hiking, heads out onto the Appalachian Trail as well. He's retired now. He's enjoying all of his spare time. Enjoy it, good buddy. He's 72 years old, and he likes to do woodworking in his shop. Because he's enjoyed the great videos, he is sending me a present. And he goes on to say here that he's been making a lot of gun cleaning kits lately. Gun cleaning boxes, more specifically. Wow, and he is sending me one. What? By the way, I really like the video that you did at the Peaks of Otter and the Sharp Top Mountain. Do you remember the plaque on the rock that honored the 5 men who were killed in the B-25 crash in 1943? I am the one who put the plaque there. What? What? That is crazy. That is crazy. I mean, all of this is crazy. Richard, thank you so very much, my friend. I really appreciate it. Guys, let's see what's inside the box. Whew, it's cold. Where's my sunshine going? Well, first off, Richard, this is absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll tell you what, I'm going to unwrap everything and then I'll bring you all back in just a minute. Wow. Richard, your woodworking skills are amazing. Check that out. Isn't that cool? I've never seen anything quite like that before. Wow. Check that out. Check out the craftsmanship on this. Check that out, everyone. Isn't that neat? So, we have the shelf on the inside here, and it has a reproduction lock and key, so you can lock this thing up. So this is a gun cleaning box, and essentially I can put in my own gun cleaning materials. I'll come back to these in just a minute. These are very cool. Okay, so next up, check that out. Isn't that cool, everybody? So let's go back to these for just a moment. I would assume that goes like this, actually. Could be wrong. Either way. So check that out. You have the supports for your rifle and attached to the box like so. That is absolutely awesome, Richard. Wow, buddy. I cannot believe it. I'm floored at your generosity. I'm incredibly touched, buddy. I really am. Thank you so much. I promise to keep this forever, and I will put it to use. As you all know, I'm a big supporter of the Second Amendment. There's no way to interpret the Second Amendment other than do not infringe. But wow. All right, man. Richard, you have blown my mind. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. As I said before, I will keep this forever. This really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you. To the rest of the viewers, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, for making Susan and I feel so welcome. You guys rock. More coming up from the Outdoor Gear Review. Wow, I'm shocked. Thank you so much. Strength and honor. See you guys around.